Vivo V50 Pro, a flagship killer smartphone review. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Insightful Ideas YTC. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the Vivo V50 Pro, the latest smartphone making waves in the market. From its stunning design to powerful features, let's break it all down. First up, design. The Vivo V50 Pro comes with a sleek and premium glass finish, available in stunning color options like Midnight Black and Aurora Blue. It feels incredibly light yet sturdy in hand. Display. On the front, you get a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. That means smoother scrolling, vibrant colors, and an immersive viewing experience. Perfect for gaming and binge-watching your favorite shows. Performance. Under the hood, the Vivo V50 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, coupled with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Whether you are gaming, multitasking, or running heavy apps, this phone handles it like a pro. And for all you gamers out there, the Adreno number 740 GPU ensures high frame rate gaming with zero lag. Camera. Now, let's talk cameras. The Vivo V50 Pro features a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. It also supports 4K video recording with super steady mode. Look at these incredible shots. The detail, the colors, and even the night mode performance are top-notch. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32MP front camera that delivers crystal-clear selfies. Battery and software. Battery life? No worries. The V50 Pro packs a 5000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. That means you can go from 0 to 100% in just under 40 minutes. Plus, with Vivo's FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14, you get a smooth and feature-rich user experience. Final thoughts and pricing. So, is the Vivo V50 Pro worth it? Absolutely. With its premium design, powerful performance, and incredible camera system, this is definitely a flagship killer. The expected price is under 40,000 rupees, making it a solid choice for those looking for a premium experience without breaking the bank. That's a wrap for today's review. Let me know in the comments, would you buy the Vivo V50 Pro? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. See you in the next one.